Hello and welcome to the section 5 vulnerability analysis. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we will learn about Burp Suite tool, then we will learn about Zap tool. We will also perform WordPress vulnerability analysis using WP scan tool, then we will install and perform vulnerability analysis using Nessus, and finally we will learn about httrack tool. Using Burp Suite tool. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, about Burp Suite tool and how we can perform vulnerability analysis using Burp Suite, that we are going to learn here in this video. So to learn about Burp Suite, you need to open Kali Linux, and there I'm going to show you about this tool. So now guys, I'm here at Kali Linux operating system, and let me show you that how you can start Burp Suite inside Kali Linux operating system. So first of all, you can click on applications, right? You can come to web application analysis. Inside that you can see Burp Suite is available right here. So you can click it and you can open it inside Kali Linux operating system. And well, this is a free edition, so we can use it. If you want to purchase it, then you can go to the official website to purchase the Burp Suite. So you can close it and you can click next and you can start Burp here. So Burp is starting inside Kali Linux operating system. This is Burp Suite free edition, right? So these all are the tabs available here which can be used for analysis of a website, right? For example, you can click on proxy. Inside proxy, click on intercept, and intercept is on. So intercept should be on, right? Because we will set the same proxy in the browser, right? So that we can communicate with the website. Then we can intercept the request coming from the browser, right here. If you click on options, then you can see here that it is working on IP address 127.0.0.1 and port number is 8080, right? So we need to set the same IP address and port number inside our browser also. So what you can do here, you can minimize it, and let me show you that how you can scan or how you can find the vulnerability inside a website. So you can open first of all the browser of Kali Linux operating system. Inside that we are going to open a website provided by Acunetics company, and it is a sample website, so anyone can use it for testing purpose. So now this is the browser. Now the website we are going to use here is, you can type here vulnerweb.com and hit enter. So this is vulnerweb.com. So first of all, you can click it and open it inside browser, right? Here it is. So this is the website, testphp.vulnerweb.com. click it and open it, right? Now let me minimize it. Let me open the Burp Suite here, and we need to set the same IP address and port number inside Burp Suite. So let me minimize it. Now inside browser you can set the proxy here. So you can click here, click on preferences. Inside preferences, click advanced, click network, click settings, and inside settings, first of all you can click on manual proxy settings. Inside you need to type the IP address, which is 127.0.0.1, port number 8080. Tick here, use this proxy server for all protocols, and remove everything from this block and click OK, right? So we have successfully set a proxy inside our browser which is similar to Burp Suite, so that they can communicate with each other. And now what you can do here, you can simply refresh this page, right? Obviously it will not refresh because we have set up a proxy. So now if you can see inside Burp Suite can intercept the packets coming from this website. So you can minimize it, you can open Burp Suite, and you can click on HTTP history. So you can see here that in HTTP history this website is showing here. It means that Burp Suite has successfully intercepted the web packets here. So if you can click intercept, these all are the requests, right? inside intercept, it is showing you that which website is open inside your browser, testphp.vulnerweb.com, right? Now what you can do here, you can right click here and you can click it add to scope, right? First of all, we need to set it inside our scope, so click add to scope, and you have added an item to target scope. Do you want Burp proxy to stop sending out of scope? So you can click yes. So you can also right click here, you can also spider it from here if you want, right? Let me click on spider from here. So now it is going to spider. You can see here that the bytes are transferred. Let me ignore some forms here. Got it? And you can see here now inside sitemap, click target, click sitemap, and here you can see that now it is showing you the website right here, testphp.vulnerweb.com. and what is this? This is basically spidering. It is showing you all the URLs available in the website, right? You can see these all are the URLs available in the website. You can check here, right? So spidering means getting information of each and every URL available in the website. So we have successfully performed spidering here, right? So let me pause the spidering because we have already done it, right? So it is inside your scope. You can right click here. You can also perform other, so you can also check other processes inside Burp Suite, right? So that's how you can gather information about Burp Suite, right? Click alerts. You can see here information about alert is available here. Scanner is not available inside the free edition. If you purchase it, then you will get the scanner. You can also scan for various vulnerabilities, but it is in the paid version of Burp Suite. Right. Now let me show you that how you can perform a simple attack using Burp Suite, right? How you can find the vulnerability inside the login page of a website. So first of all, do one thing, close it, then we will open it again. Now you can open your browser, change the proxy settings, go to preferences, click advanced, click network, click settings, and now come back to no proxy and click OK, right? Now you can refresh this page. Now open the login page of this website. So this is the login page, click sign up, right? This is the login page. What if I want to perform brute force attack on this website? Brute force attack means when you are trying to log in inside the admin panel, but you don't have any idea about username and password. So you have a username list, you have a password list. You want to try the combination of username and password. So that we can do using Burp Suite. So how we can find out the vulnerability that this website is vulnerable? So again, go back to the proxy settings, click settings, click manual proxy. All the settings are same, click OK, right? Now open the Burp Suite. So you can click applications, select web application analysis, click Burp Suite and open it inside Kali Linux. Close, click next and start Burp right here. Okay, so again we need to check the proxy. First of all, click options. So this is already inside our browser. Click intercept. So intercept should be on. For example, if it is off, then you can click it and it should be on. Intercept is on, right? Now you can minimize it. You can open the browser again and you can type any username and password, any random, because we have no idea that which is the right one. So I can type, for example, admin is the username and admin is the password, for example, right? And then you can click on login. It will not run. Why? Because proxy settings are there. Now you can minimize it and open the Burp Suite. So if you can check inside HTTP history, then you can see here that we got a request coming from the browser, right? And this is the page userinfo.php page, right? And if you click on intercept, then you can see here that this is the request which is coming from the browser, and we have intercepted it using Burp Suite free edition. So to perform brute force attack, to check if there are vulnerabilities or not, so you can right click here and you can send it to intruder. Click intruder. This is intruder. Click here, right? So now using intruder, we can perform the brute force attack here. So now you can go back to the positions here, payloads. So these all are available here. Let me go back to position. Now you can see here that this is uname and this is pass, right? There are two parameters available here. First of all, in attack type, select cluster bomb, right? Because using cluster bomb, we can brute force username and password simultaneously. After that, what you can do here, you can click on payloads. Inside payload set, you will find there are two, one for username and one for password. So first of all, for example, first is for username, so you need to type the dictionary here. If you have a dictionary, then you can basically load it from here. I'm just showing you that how you can perform brute force attack. For example, let me type some random 4 or 5 words in which one of them is correct. So for example, I'm typing guest, root, and then you can type like finally admin, right? Like that. Similarly, you can select the second one and you can type the password. I'm showing you here using 3 to 4 words only. You can also provide a complete dictionary of thousands words and then you can try a brute force attack. So we have selected number 2. Here you can type the password. Any password will work, right? And hit enter. So we have provided username, select one. This is the username list, this is the password list, right? And now we are able to attack on that login page. So now what you can do, you can write on the right hand side, you can see the start attack button. You can click it and click OK. It will start the brute force attack here. Here you can see it has started the brute force attack. It is taking one by one from username, one from password, and now you can see here that it is showing that 302 code here, right? 302 code means basically they all are incorrect, means the dictionary we have provided here is completely incorrect. There is no username and password which is the right combination to log in inside that website, right? So our first attempt was failure. Let me go back. Let me close it. And what I need to do, let me add the real username and password. So select one. Let me type the real one, which is test. Test is the username and test is the password. Click add. Select 2. Again, you can type test here. Click add. Right now you can click start attack. Click OK. Now you will get the right username and password. Here it is performing brute force attack on that login page. It is trying, this is username, this is password, this is the status. So you just need to check for test and test username and password, and we are done here. Finished. So you can see here that these all are the username, these all are the password. In status, if you can check, and 302 means false. But if you can come down to the last one, you can see here that the status is 200. It means this username and the password is correct. That's how you can check the vulnerability inside a website login page and how you can exploit it, that I have shown you here. So test is the username and test is the password. You can close it. You can close the Burp suite. Go back to the website. Now change the proxy settings. No proxy, right? And you can try test and test there. Basically now you can refresh this page. And now you can type username, which is test, and the password is test. We have found using Burp suite. Click login. So here we are. You can see here that we have successfully logged in the website. You can see the logout button also, right? So using Burp suite, you can find out the vulnerabilities, and using Burp suite, you can also perform exploitation. You can click logout button and you can come back to the sign up page, right? So this is all about Burp suite inside Kali Linux. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can use Zap tool inside Kali Linux operating system. Thank you.